Hello, other video Sunday School Junior Class Lunch in Link Wana. Awang na tawo iwa nahala na may sing ulak chinesa tawo konyak mo ngawlak English mo ngawlak kaya nakamis mo tawo kenya dapat ang ngawlak sa awang na tawo China jamna. Junior class lang tamana sa tunguye. So far we have taken 4 chapters in our class. The first chapter is kawang katok new ling. Sibo katamyanghan apong cha leng cha mapu tamalim. Genesis chapter 1 verses 1 to 23 maputamana singayangi ado mutamana ngi po awang na kawang ay God created heavens and the earth. Tawpema day 1 may yiling po awang panyi may yiling po God created light and he separated light from darkness, and there was day and there was night. Ado tamana ngi yangi ni supanyi ma. Second day ma God created world. Kongmong hadolung yang kabanga, he separated water from water, and there was sky also. That's what we have learned in day 2. Day 3 there was a dry ground, there was land, and there was seas. Iwa pukato kaya nga yengchi ngai po daw day 3 ma. Hanga mo day 3 ma ni limso pa ni mo kawang lingpo vegetations, plants and trees. Pumha wenyang to ki lingpo tamana. Day 3 matangiyanki. Day 4 ma sun, moon and stars. Wangi late new hanga sanalan lingpo tamana day 3 day 4 ngiyanki taw. Day 5 ma living creatures in waters such as fishes and birds. Yenmo kaya awhalan lingpo tamana ngiyanki. Day 6 ma living creatures of land and wild animals. Katok mo po yenmok yenaraw lingpo tamana day 6 ma ngiyanki. Chapter 2 matumanangi po kawang Adam ay Eve ni de pautiklak tuisaw pa. Kawang Adam ay Eve ni de pautiklak tuisaw pa katamengan apong ni leng lima bupan mga. Genesis chapter 2 verses 4 to 15 matumanangi po. God blessed Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. Eden ki pisama ang God gave them the freedom to eat whatever you want to eat. You can eat from every tree, all the tree, except there was a condition, except from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Hadaw mapuyahalak alawa kushi parta kawona. That was the condition given by God. That we see in chapter 2. Chapter 3 matuman nangi po awang paanu Adam may Eve ni kay om. Hadaw tumana chapter 3 manginang hadawa katamengan apong lim aleng chama po tamapli. Genesis chapter 3 verses 1 to 24. Hadaw matumana awang panu Adam ay Eve ni kayo ompo. The first sin in the world, the first sin committed by human was by Adam and Eve, and that was kawang immediate hasibo from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Amazing po pima po tahasibo to the puwa tok po mida. The serpent, the snake came and tempted them to eat that. Hanga mi Adam ay Eve mi ato tok po te yang emi daw habu jeng tamana nina. Chapter 4 mo tamana ngi po kawang pai yong chayango kawang pai distance wicha chayango po jeng katamengan apong pali alen cha mo po panmok. Genesis chapter 4 verses 1 to 16 mo tamana to nina. Hadaw mo tamana ngi po children of Adam and Eve Cain and Abel meeting story tamana singyana chayong pa damo wala Cain bra Inaw Abel to ibong tayo nagapay Abel moray dia lagay to story kili moray siya ito one story to man tayo dyan. So we have learned that much from chapter 1 to 4 so far. Chapter 5 alay ipunganang, that is like a revision that so far that ito mo ikwala ito 1, 2, 3, 4 that revision ito yasi. So what you students will do is other chapter 5 chinat naman assignment siya yan lang abnyan ito assignment likibo dito short summary ito likibo from chapter 1 to 4 abnyan ki jana jitulah summary ekta story nis nekta chutu ekta likigna. You will write it on a paper, and then you will don't forget to mention your name and your class, junior class, and then you can send it to me to WhatsApp also. My WhatsApp number is 9774389633. I repeat 9774389633. The video editor teman by child pastor China konang okma hadaw number, if you can place it in the screen that would be much better. Okay, so on po otherwise You can also send it to any of the Sunday school teachers if they are nearby, or to our pastor, child pastor, or to any of the church workers in Manda or Papoglak, and I will get it through them. I'm Okushina, although assignment now, Okushina pa, Konyangao Nyanlak Jinangai Sadon, students land Ado, Nanping. I know it will be difficult to write in Konyak, so Opina last option in Naikuludo, you can also write in English. That's no harm. English to be the short summary chapter 1 to 4 ki kichi to lalikiwo. Konyak TV no English TV no lego pain na how jolly na ka mistake likiwo klibi ko no, but then participate. That's what I want to say. You have to participate. Try to participate. Around that be man marks tibo. This year man exam speaking of na jani exam speak obona na, because we have suspended the class for this far and we never know when we're going to continue the class. So we will be assessing so much on the internal, such as Itala summary khan value. I've done last time called their drawing khan, or I've also told the students to prepare the craft, or to even memorize the name of the books of the Bible from Genesis to Revelation. Katamyang mapu atatangay po English ma hang konyak ma English te konyak te dita de memorize ko the name of the book to memorize ko libi kuina se to abnyan to parishe ko some of the students abnyan ko to parishe na ko she numan okpunemengama. You can make the video of that and you can send me the video through the WhatsApp again, or to any of the teachers, like I've said before in Arabic Paribo. We never know when we are going to meet again. We never know when we are going to start the class again. But until then, we will try to reach out in this way through the video or through any other form or any assignment to keep reminding you guys of the Bible, of the classes that we have taken, and the remaining syllabus up to date. Until then, until we meet again, stay safe and God bless you all.